All right, another quick one today. Talking about samplers. Now, you know that I love a sampler. I use the MPC over there quite a lot. Love it. Digitact, you can't see it over there. Love it. 2 days ago, I did an impulse buy and I bought something called the Teenage Engineering Pocket Operator 33, a tiny little sampler that looks like a calculator. Bosch. I mean, look at it. Takes batteries. It's got a little Gash LCD screen and that, but it sounds like this. Come on, it's that big, mate. Just what you're hearing there, I sampled in a loop that I made on the MPC and just recorded it in. There's other noises. There's noises like... Come on, more noises. I love an M1 organ, so sampled that in. Come on, mate. Unreal. I can record something into it now. Ready? Let's go to that. What's this sound? Nice. Let's record something into here. Here we go. I love this sampler. Let's have a listen to this, shall we? I love this sampler. Get off. I love this sampler.
I love this sampler.
Right. Let's go low.
I love this sampler. I love this sampler.
Are you as excited as me right now?
I love this sampler.
Mate, made this earlier. Took me about 3 minutes to make. Here we go. I'm speechless, mate. Unreal. It's also got these effects on it, ready? It's got these little effects you can hold down. It does like beat, repeat, unison and that. Ready? Let's play. Pocket operator. KO. Knockout. Definite knockout. It's about 70 quid. Oh no, it's still 70 quid. But sick. Really limited. You can change the pitch on it. So you can record a sample, you can change the pitch. You can put a little filter on it, high pass or low pass. That's it. The trim it. You could trim it a bit. So let's go to this sound.
I love this
sampler. Let's go to the trim. So see what we can get from that. Trim. I love this sampler. Just
sampler.
I'd be here all day. Look. I'm going to lose hours on this. I'm probably going to lose family members as well. Just, oh, why are you calling me? This is why. Ready? That's why. One. Come off it. Let's play this, see what we can get. It's quality. I don't know what else to say, really. Samplers. Just come on. Buy it.